Hey, what if it were possible for us to get paid $2.50 every 30 seconds for simply clicking on websites and advertisements? Yes, that's right, $2.50 payments coming straight into our bank account over and over and over again. These $2.50 payments are small, but because they come in frequently, we have no problem making hundreds of dollars daily. Just look at the money I earned this month. I'm sure that's making your mouth water, right? Would you like to see how we're pulling this off? If you answered yes, then give your full attention to every second of this short video. Hey there, it's Brandon Tay, and frankly, most methods for making money online drive me nuts nowadays. Everything is either too slow, complicated, or expensive. I knew there had to be a better way, and that's the core reason why I developed ClickyPay. ClickyPay is a simple yet powerful system that pays us $2.50 over and over again for clicking on advertisements and websites. There are no headaches involved. No traffic, no solo ads, no e-commerce, no email marketing, no surveys, no affiliate marketing, none of that nonsense. There are no hoops to jump through. ClickyPay is by far the easiest system we've developed yet for making money online. After all, is there really anything easier than clicking on advertisements? Anyone can do this, period. And it doesn't matter if you're using a mobile phone or computer. You can operate ClickyPay on any device of your choice as long as it's connected to the internet. Here, let me show you how easy it is to get started. Step 1, click any of the buy buttons on this page to get a copy of ClickyPay at the lowest possible price. Hurry, do this now as we will be raising the price shortly. Step 2, activate the monetization inside of the ClickyPay app from your computer or mobile phone. This ensures that we get paid. And step 3, click on the advertisements and websites shown to you by ClickyPay. Each time we do this, we get paid $2.50. You can get paid to your PayPal or straight to your bank account. Yup, that's it. This is not rocket science. All you have to do to make ClickyPay work is to click your mouse. That's because big corporations all around the world are willing to pay billions of dollars for people like you and I to view their advertisements. They want you to buy their products and are willing to pay you to see them. You don't even have to buy them. All you have to do is view the advertisements, and that's it. But you might be wondering, how much will ClickyPay cost me? Well, it cost us $37,000 to develop ClickyPay, so it would be reasonable to charge $297 monthly. Isn't that a small price to pay for a system that we're using to get paid to click our mouses on ads and get paid? However, we understand. Maybe you've been burned by other opportunities before, and you've worked hard this year, so for a limited time only, we will be slashing the monthly price to a low, one-time investment that's the same price tag as a dinner. And in addition to this all, you'll receive thousands of dollars in fast-action bonuses if you pick up a copy of ClickyPay right now. But you don't have time to wait. If we let everyone use ClickyPay, it could become saturated, and we'd hate for that to happen. So to guarantee that it continues working, we can only allow so many customers, which means we will be closing our doors at any moment. If you don't act now, you could forever miss out on getting ClickyPay. You could miss out on joining the thousands of other ClickyPay members who are getting paid to click on advertisements right now. Don't want to feel the pain of missing out? Then the best thing for you to do right now is pick up a copy of ClickyPay. But it gets even better. If you're one of the first 150 people to buy ClickyPay, you'll get access to the ClickyPay Double Your Cash Exclusive Edition. Our average user doubles their profits with this. Oh, and there is a 365-day money-back guarantee. So if you feel for any reason this wasn't worth your money, we'll refund every penny back to you. On top of that, we'll throw in $250 as a good measure for wasting your time. So, what are you waiting for? You have no risk. Click the button below to get ClickyPay and all of the exclusive bonuses at the lowest price. I'll see you inside.